Singapore 7364, good afternoon, runway 25 right, descend unrestricted to 6,000 feet, connection 1021.
Unrestricted descent 6,000 feet on 1021, Singapore 7364, thank you.
Singapore 7364 from Tango Delta, descend via the R left transition.
Roger, descend by the R left transition, Singapore 7364.
Singapore 7364, reduce speed to 210 knots.
210 knots, Singapore 7364.
Singapore 7364, maintain speed 160 knots or greater. Singapore 7364, maintain speed 160 knots or greater until 5 miles final.
60 or greater until 5, Singapore 7364.
Singapore 7364 Tower, 5 Juliet 6 cross runway 07 right, after cross left on Kilo, join Lima 1.
And after cross runway, we are clear to cross runway, after cross left turn on Kilo, Juliet 1, correction Lima 1, Singapore 7364.
7364, contact ground 122.55.
255, Singapore 7.